Hey guys, what's up? What's up? This is your girl Donnell. In today's video, I will show you how I created this beautiful door decoration. So let's dive into this. Now, I pre-cut my tulle ribbons, and I did those previously. I cut them into 10 inches each, so go ahead and do that with your tulle. Oh, the quick supplies that you will need will be a door wreath. You will need your tulle, about 2 packs of tulle, and that's it. And if you want to accessorize it, an optional frame will be all you would need. Let's dive into this. As you can see, guys, I'm just going in, and pretty much this project is the easiest ever. It is 0 skills that you will need. All you need to know how to do is to make a knot, and that's it. So take a peek at what I'm doing. I'm just attaching my tulle ribbon and I'm knotting it twice, and that's it. I will do this exact same thing around the entire wreath until I have completed it. And the cool thing about this is that you don't have to just use pink. If you are doing this for a baby boy or a girl or for a teenager, or it can be for anybody, and you can change it up. Today I am doing this for my baby girl, and I am attaching this to her door. The frame that I am attaching to this has a sentimental value to me. This was something that my husband used as a yard decoration when we welcomed her home, and it was just tucked away in a box, and I found it, and I wanted to, just create this wreath and attach that to it, and for her to remember forever. This is it for today, guys. I hope that you loved this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend or two. Remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches until next time. Ciao.